Yes, and we are live and alive. Yes, good evening po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And I'm here checking my Maono sound check voice card. Tingnan natin kung mag-iiba ang effect based on my V8. Iko-compare po natin ang ano ang kaibahan. So again, a pleasant good evening. If you do have some requested songs, please do request them down in the comment section below. Testingin po natin kung which of them sounds better? O baka boses ko lang ang problema. Ha! Okay, for my first song for tonight, we'll be doing, siyempre, sa mga kabisado ng kanta dapat. Again, this is a jamming session, testing my Maono setup. A pleasant good evening to all of you. And my first song will be So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, and between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would, and I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low, and I'll go wherever you will go. Maybe I'll find out the way to make it back someday, to watch you, to guide you to the darkest of your days. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, well, I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would, and I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low, I'll go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my home, run away with my love. I know now just quite how my life and love must still go on. In your heart, in your mind, I'll stay with you for all of time. If I could, then I would, and I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low, I'll go wherever you will go. Turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will go. Yes, again, that was from The Calling, entitled Wherever You Will Go. Yes, again, it's a night of jamming while I'm checking the setup for my Maono sound card. Yes. Okay, check lang po, sound check lang po. Wait, I think there's some issue with my video. Okay, let me see that. May filters pala ako naka-turn on. Let's switch off my filters para maganda ang kulay natin. Yes, for this next song, an all-time favorite. And if you do have some requested songs, so please do comment them down in the comment section below. And tubukan po natin, tubukan. And I can't stand life, and I'm not denying, and I'm just out to find a better part of me. I'm more than a hurt, more than a pain, more than some pretty face beside a dream. It's not easy to be me. Wish that I could cry all upon my knees, find a way to lie, but I hope my own never see in this understood. But don't be naive, even heroes have the right to bleed, or maybe disturb. But once you can see, even heroes have the right to breathe. It's not easy to be me. Up or head away, away from here, will be so right. It all sleep sound tonight. I'm not crazy or anything. I can't stand life, I'm not that naive. Men were meant to ride with clouds between the knees. I'm only a man in a funny red sheet, waiting for kryptonite on this one-way street. Only a man in a funny red sheet, looking for special things inside of me, inside of me, inside of me, yeah, inside of me, inside of me. I'm only a man in a funny red sheet, only a man looking for a dream. Only a man in a funny red sheet, and it's not easy. Ooh. It's not easy to be me. Just again, to those who just tune in, maybe you are very surprised ano pong ginagawa ko ngayon. Well, I'm testing and trying my new Maono setup. Kung ano po ang pagkakaiba nila, what are their differences between my Maono and my V8 last time. So, sa lahat po ng gustong those who want to hear their songs, or may you have requested songs in mind, please do comment them down in the comment section below. And we'll try to give justice to the songs that you have requested. Sige po, tayo naghahanap na ng aawitin natin. Yes, yun lang. Wala po tayo nakapila. And I will do a song by John Legend. Let's see if I can give justice to this song. And again, a pleasant good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. do without the awesome mountain hell, throwing me in, you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, and I'll be alright. My head's under water, but I'm breathing fine. Your grace and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, and all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, and give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose some win. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Whoa. And how many times do I have to tell you, even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The road is spinning you down, I'm around to every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse. I was distraction, a rhythm and blues. Can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. In your grace and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, and all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, and I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose some winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, give me all of you. Cards on the table without showing, risking it all, though it's hard. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you, and I give you all of me. You give me all of you. Whoa. Yes, that was an original by John Legend entitled All of Me. And again, those who just tune in and those who just opened their FB, yes, it is a jamming night. I'm testing my Maono setup. But if you do have some requested songs in mind, please do comment them down in the comment section below, and we'll try to give justice to those songs that you have requested. Yes, it's a late night, 10:30 in the evening, and it's the 6th of November, 2021, and it's a Saturday night. Yes, again, we're looking for some songs that I haven't sang for quite some time. Ano pa ba? Oh, we'll try. Ah, I know already. Yes, yesterday we just celebrated the Deepa Valley Festival. And for my Hindu friends out there, happy Deepa Valley 2021. Yes, again, if you do have some requested songs, please do comment them down in the comment section below, and we'll try to give justice to those songs that you have requested. Yes, if you are wondering why am I here tonight, yes, again, I say I'm testing my Maono sound setup and checking what's the difference between my Maono and the V8. Which one really is better? You'd be the judge of that, or baka boses ko lang po ang problema. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, your holding mine. Baby, now dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you perfect tonight. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. I will be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the past, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, now dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel person. perfect tonight. And that was Perfect by Ed Sheeran. So again, if you do have some requested songs in mind, please do comment them down in the comment section below. And again, a pleasant good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I am here now to just test sound my Maono setup. But if you do have some requested songs, I'm willing to give justice to that song while I'm testing my new setup. Well, commercial lang po, commercial. Yes, on Wednesday on 8 p.m. Tune in, 7:45 po, live engaging. 8 p.m. will be the Feast Worship. It will be Feast Baguio back. And we are back. Feast Baguio, just tune in to our Facebook page. Yes, again, may commercial lang po before we proceed. Siyempre, love your own, and we do have some commercial. Yes, opening to you this November, and I'm opening their Facebook page. Di siya kita. Highland Brew Coffee is located at SM Baguio, opening this November. So to those our friends from Baguio nearby cities, please do patronize Highland Brew Coffee. Kabrukada ka ba? Yun. Yes, okay, we'll be going for some songs. Yes, again, if you do have some requested songs in mind, please do request them in the comment section below. And this next song, testing lang po, testing, if I can give justice to it. Because again, to those who are still with me tonight, thank you for staying with me. To those who just tuned in, thank you for stopping by. Loving can hurt, loving can hurt sometimes. It's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it gets hard sometimes. It is the only thing that make us feel alive. Take this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves. Our eyes are never closing, hearts never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside a pocket of your ripped jeans. Holding me close until our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. You can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. No, swear it could be easier, easier. die. Keep this love in a photograph. We made this memory for ourselves. Eyes are never closing, hearts never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep inside a pocket of your jeans, hold it close until your eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. You run, that's all it really only hurts me. It's our speed that you just hold me. Now won't ever be alone. Yes, again, just testing my Maono setup. If you have some requested songs in mind, please do comment them down in the comment section below, and we'll try to give justice to that song. This song is photographed by Ed Sheeran. Me under the lamp was back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home. Yes, pagsunod-sunod rin na po natin. Because it's getting late. We make commercial. Yes, this next song was made popular by Jimmy Bondoc. Again, a pleasant good evening. And this next song is dedicated to all those people who loved, been loved. Somebody told me you were leaving, I didn't know. Somebody told me you weren't happy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but you want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me. So I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you don't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's not become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye. Nobody told me you still love me. Don't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when our love is real again. Let me be the one to break it up so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. I have to say our love was true, but it's now become your lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbyes, turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this, no, no. And if you love me still, then stay and keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can walk to it apart. I just need to get this off my chest. You will always have my heart. Let me be the one. Let me be the one to break it up so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, and it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye. Yeah, I'm hearing some background noise, and I don't know where it's coming from. Meron pa rin tayong static. Sound check my sound. If you do hear my static sound, please do give me a holler para mahanapan po natin ng paraan. Well, this next song. I'm playing to you last two songs for tonight. Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin, at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ika'y lumalayo? Laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpa na ako'y sa'yo kay akin lamang? kahit anong mangyari. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin, at kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghihintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot pang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpa. Na ako'y sa'yo, ika'y akin lamang. Umasa ka, maghintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot pang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpa. Na ako'y sa'yo, ika'y akin lamang. And again, that was Ako'y Sa'yo, Ika'y Akin, original by Ajax. Just for my last song, I hope I can be able to give justice to this one. Again, thank you for jamming with me. Yes, I am just testing my sound. Hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? Maybe climbing on rainbows, baby, goes. Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. I really think that we can make it, girl? No, you don't know me well. Every little thing only time will tell. You believe the things that I do, we'll see it through. Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I choose the one I like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we can make it, girl. You know that dreams they're for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. If I choose the one I like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. And I really think that we can make it, girl. Think that we can make it, girl. Just again, thank you for being with me tonight, and for this last song, this inspirational song, and I do hope that you enjoyed being with me tonight. And for this last song, again, I'm just testing my Maono setup, comparing it to my previously V8 sound card, and I hope later I will listen and see the difference between the two. And again, thank you for being with me tonight. For those who just tuned in, thank you for tuning in, but this will be my last song for tonight. But if you still have some requested song, please do comment them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to give justice to that song that you have requested. Well, for my last song was made famous by Basil Valdez and was revived by Mr. Gary B. Was the song entitled Lead Me Lord, especially at this time of anxiety, times of darkness, and times of sadness. Let be God be the driver of our lives. And I hope you do like this inspirational song. Lead me, Lord, lead me by the hand, make me face the rising sun. Don't put me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road. every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. Leave me, Lord, all my life. You are my life. You're the lamp on my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life, and I cannot be alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go along my way, help me take the right direction, take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life. You are my life. You're the lamp on my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my days. Lead me, oh Lord, all my life. Yes, again, this is your brother O, reminding you, be safe, stay safe, keep safe, and keep the faith. Again, thank you for being with me tonight, and have a nice and blessed weekend. God bless us all.